Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making slime and I forgot bowls. She's gonna get the bowls. So we had the wheel set up on our computer with all the things, and then here is our glue and stuff. I'm showing them everything.
It's okay.
We have bowls.
Oh wait, I forgot spoons.
She's forgot. Wait. Okay, so we're gonna spin the. Wait, what's rainbow?
What?
What's rainbow?
Rainbow glitter. I just put the colors for the glitter stuff. You're gonna have to come over here. Put the pop socket. Okay. So come more over here. Okay, so I'm gonna spin first. Whoops. That's okay. That's okay. So I'm gonna spin, and I got gold glitter.
Just gonna add in her gold glitter.
So I'm just gonna add in a little. Yeah, you spin. Okay.
I got rainbow.
You got rainbow glitter.
Why?
The rainbow glitter is so ugly.
I know. Look at this. No. No.
I got gold glitter again.
I poured too much.
Oh, jeez. I got more gold glitter.
All right, check out our bowls.
We get the amount of spins until we are able to make, actually we get 10 spins, so this is your second spin.
We don't have activator.
Yeah, we do. We have it right there.
I know, again.
Just go lightly sprinkle.
All right. Light sprinkle.
Oh, whoops.
There we go.
I got blue glitter. Blue and gold kind of go well together, but all we're getting is glitter.
Rainbow! Oh my god. I'm gonna keep the rainbow close. Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna add some stuff to the clear glue. Okay. And then glitter glue. Okay. And then
Shaving cream. I hope I get shaving cream.
Okay, and then I'm gonna apply the wheel changes. Okay, so this is my fourth spin.
Which means it's my third spin, right?
You got shaving cream!
Hopefully I get it.
Yay!
I'm gonna wait for you. I want mine to be real.
Do you want me to put it? Dang it.
No. There.
Oh, here's your spoon.
There's enough.
That's a lot.
I know. I'm just gonna dip. Oh no.
I'm gonna mix it.
Oh, okay, I'm just gonna mix mine as. Oh, gross. That looks so weird.
Mine looks so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Oh, I hate you. Glitter. You got blue.
Blue glitter.
That actually matches my old spirit colors. Yeah, I got gold. Ew.
Gold and rainbow. I tried that and it kind of looked brownish.
Help. There, I've learned my lesson.
I'm gonna go flat. Hey, it's my.
I got clear glue. Oh wait, no.
It was my turn.
Hopefully I get clear glue again.
Okay, so we have 2 spoons because I want to. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got pear lotion. So it's it smells like pears.
Your pears even have a scent. I got pink. Hand me over the pink. Where's the pink?
That's enough.
I am literally getting all glitter, and this sucks. Oh, just add a little pink to make it better.
Oh, mine's kind of ugly. All it is shaving cream and glitter and lotion.
If we don't get
This
glue
is,
at
I
the
think
end, can we just add glue?
shaving cream.
Yeah, shaving
This
cream.
is sick.
Let me see. Shaving cream. I don't know that much. That much. Pink.
Pink.
Now I am spinning my wheel.
I want glue so I can
Gold.
actually make slime.
I want glue. Like, if we don't end up with glue, can we just add glue?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, spin number 7. Clear glue.
Kill me.
Okay, this only has a little bit left, so we do have more clear glue. There. I got clear glue. Okay, you can add from this one. Yeah. We can't add too much. I know. I have to wait for mine to come out.
I'm gonna just mix mine for a little while. And mix it. I'm so glad that I got clear glue.
So now we can actually make slime.
Ah, this is getting harder to mix. It's not even gonna be clear. It's actually just gonna be white. How will we tell which one is ours?
Okay. Spin number 8.
Shaving cream. Wow. Yeah, that's just enough. That's just enough.
You have to be able to see you.
Oh,
We can't see you. So far, this is what mine looks like. Glue glitter. Again, for like 3rd time.
I hope I get glue, because, like, look at this. This isn't even good. Yeah, I got clear glue.
Only a little bit, because your bowl's overfilling.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Stop. I'm running out of glue. Oh, it's running. It's running. Oh, you got blue.
Again. Oh no!
I got blue. Oh, wow. Blue will make it better.
Mine looks kind of ugly.
Mine looks
This
like
is
a
what mine
big
looks like so
disco.
far. It's just like a shaving cream glittery mess.
At least we'll both have fluffy slime. I wish I get lotion, because then I want it to be clicky.
Glitter glue! I got pink glitter glue.
Let's see what I get.
Don't get glitter glue. Shaving cream.
Might as well. I don't even think mine is going to turn out as slime because of how much shaving cream this is. Look at how thick this is. Thick.
Thick.
Alright, probably didn't see this, but... Hey, get on the video.
Mine has like a little pink tint.
More shit? Wait, no. It was your turn.
Oh. Spin number, I think, 9. Moonlit lotion.
Can I at least have some lotion? No, I can have silver glitter.
Okay, last spin.
For you. And then after that. You got
Rainbow glitter.
Yes.
Where's the rainbow glitter?
Right there.
Look how ugly this is.
I got pear
Lotion.
I finally got it. Thank you.
Okay, so we're gonna mix these and see what our final product is.
Ew, it's yellow.
Yep.
There.
So mine is like
A
very
hint of pink.
glittery and very fluffy, and it has like
Mine
a
is
little
very
hint
thick.
of pink.
And it's hard to mix.
Wait, well, I'm gonna turn the light off real quick and then show them. See, you can see the pink tint, kind
And
of.
then look at mine compared to hers.
I say we could get one more spin, because that wasn't very good.
No. Yeah, go. got clear glue on my hands now. Drop. What?
Oh, that's a
No,
lot.
No.
Oh, it's on my hand. I'm gonna go get water. Oh my god, it's on the wrong setting. There we go. Alright. Paper towels save everything. We're putting paper towels over there just in case it gets like really messy.
What if this overflows because of the activator?
That might be good. So
Well, the shaving
now
cream.
we're gonna activate this. I
Yeah.
say we get 15 spins. Okay,
So
this
we have
is
4
spin number
more.
12. We're having 15 spins.
You got
Clear glue. I'm gonna add like just the littlest bit of this because this is like empty now. Well, not really empty.
Clear
but it has
glue
some-
again. And got my hand dirty.
Oh, I need clear glue too because this is legit empty. So I need some. Oh, I got clear glue all over me.
I know, that's the problem. I just like literally got clear glue like not even a long time ago. I got, oh, we can tell the difference because mine is bigger.
Okay,
And
spin
probably
number
quicker.
13.
Smells good. Smells different. All right, you got pear.
Hair lotion.
See what I get. Silver. Oh, okay. Silver can make things better around here.
This isn't coming out. There.
That should be enough. I want mine to be really clicky.
Same.
So it'll be like,
Spin number 14. Pink glitter.
shaving cream. I don't. For how much?
Spin number 14.
I can't believe I got so much shaving cream.
Yours is almost gonna go over. Gold glitter.
See what I get? What spin is this? Glitter glue.
glue. Don't add that much because.
I won't.
Okay, last spin.
Won't come out.
Okay,
2, 4.
glitter glue.
Yay. Mine is pink now. Oh, no. It has a slight bit of pink.
So does mine.
Every time that we get
Okay,
glue
it's your
now-
last spin now.
Okay, my last spin?
Yeah.
Which means that it was the last spin a few seconds ago.
Yeah.
Clear glue? Are you kidding me? No. Well, it evens out with the...
I thought that was the glue bottle.
I thought that I was going to drop the glue. It over my spin.
That's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna activate these.
Not yet. I still need to mix mine. Like, need it.
I'm gonna start activating mine.
Okay, add some baking soda, not too much. And then get the hard way. It makes it not even slime, it makes it a brick. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some baking soda. Maybe, can I just make a spoonful of it?
I wanna do this every Friday.
Why? Spoonful of baking soda. What?
You're only supposed to add like a pinch.
I'm dead. Just add a little bit of that.
Add a lot more.
What? No, that's it. That's it. How strong is your activator?
Not strong.
Oh, okay, then that's fine.
I need a little bit more baking soda because I dropped some of mine on the counter.
Drop some of what?
The baking soda.
Oh, mine is turning into slime now.
Mine isn't.
Ow, this is hard now. See, look, it's turning into slime.
Mine's not.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Well, now it is because I added more activator, but it's like melty.
Oh no, when I was
I
kneading
need
my
more
slime-
glue.
Get more glue then. Since you said that it's not strong.
I think the lotion is melting it because I got like so much lotion.
I didn't. I added like a medium amount. Whoa! I made like a sort of bubble. Ew. It's turning into slime. I'm scared to knead this with my hands. This is gonna be scary. Ah, yours is pinker.
Because I had more pink
Ow.
glue than you.
Ew. No. Mine is literally overflowing. Are you scared to knead this with your hands?
Okay.
If this falls, we're dead. Ew. It's not even slime.
I know.
I need to add more activator.
Oh, mine's slime.
It is? Ew, but it's sticky.
I know. We need more. I need more.
I need more activator.
Then use this one.
Okay, thank you. Is it strong?
No, it's about the same.
Just want to make sure. Here's a slime here. Mine is like chunks and chunks and chunks of food. Mine is literally not even turning into slime yet. Yeah. I need more activator. That's it. Yeet. I give
I'm
up.
gonna go get a wet paper towel to wipe off the glue bottle since it's all, like gluey.
Absorb it, slime. Do you think mine is gonna turn out a slime?
Yeah. You just gotta be patient with it.
Yeah, mine was. Oh my god, I almost knocked it off the bowl.
Bring some paper towels over here. Let's get all the slime ingredients like out of the way.
Are you gonna dump it?
No,
Why?
they couldn't see us.
Okay. Does it feel like slime? Does it feel like slime?
No, it feels like glue. And you didn't bring paper towels over here like I asked.
Wait, you asked for
Yeah.
that? Oh.
Go get some paper towels.
No, I'm mixing.
Oh my god.
Do you think I'm just mixing glue at this point?
Yeah, but you need a lot of contact solution.
Why? Because I added a lot of big. It's turning into slime! I'm not just. Yeah, I need more.
Oops.
Wait, that's enough. That's enough. It's thick. That's it. And it needs kneading. Mix. It's getting harder to mix, so I know that's turning into slime. You should just dump it on the table and start like kneading it. I'm scared to do it.
Mine is not even close to being kneading. See, I told you.
Add just a little pinch of activator. Who invented the slime? Nickelodeon, I think. Ah, my spoon and my fingertip. Oh. It keeps moving.
That's why I'm
literally-
holding mine like this, see?
Yeah, but if I do that, then like it's. I heard popping from this.
I know,
It
because the
farted.
shaving cream makes it all bubbly.
Mine is not even close to being kneading. Hold on. like, okay. But, ew,
I was
yours
trying to
has
do
like
this
a really big yellow.
I can't do it.
I thought you were blowing your nose. See, look, it has yellow chunks.
Ew, it's from the yellow lotion.
Time to mix.
Oh, it's the gold glitter. That is the yellow chunk. See, it's the gold glitter.
Okay, you made me scared for a second. Because I added the lotion as well. Mine just
But you
looks
also added gold
metallic.
glitter.
Yeah, but my gold glitter isn't chunking up like yours. Oh, so now you're gonna need it. I feel like I need the other spoon at this point.
This video has been 21 minutes long.
Yay. I'm just grabbing the... Can I use the other spoon to do this?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
that's what I got it for.
Now I have 2 spoons to mix with. Literally. Where do I put this? It's all slimy. I'm just gonna put it on yours. Whoa. Put it on the table and see if it's clicky. Show the camera.
Mine's stringy.
Get in this. It clicked. You got it all over my hand.
I didn't do it. You did it. You were the one who touched it.
Connected to your finger and then it just got me. It went all over my hand.
Okay, so what's the big deal?
Now I have slimy hands that are very sticky. I'm scared to touch this. Should I touch it?
Yeah.
Perfect! It's all... Mine feels like shaving cream. But it's not shaving cream. Here, I think I need more activator. That's it.
What if you added so much shaving cream? It was like stretchable shaving cream.
It's so clicky.
Mine?
Yeah.
Because I added a lot of lotion.
Yeah.
Mine is so pretty. It's pink with like so much blue glitter.
Help.
You do not know how to do this.
I don't know how to knead stuff.
Like, look at my hands. Coming out clean.
I'm trying to clean the spoon. Well, that was easy. But now my fingers are dirty. How dare you, spoon? Alright, I'm done. Yours turned out well. I'm just gonna knead. Oh, it's actually turning out good. Can you help me? Like, not like knead it. Oh, help. It just launched at the other side of my hand. It's so puffy. You should feel it. Just like tap it. It won't stick on you. It feels like shaving cream.
Oh, it does.
It feels like jiggly shaving cream. Oh, it's right here. Oh. No, not on my hand.
Neither of us are in the camera.
Oh. Oh no. So this is how it is.
Okay, so mine needs just a little bit more activator, and then it'll be done.
Stick.
Because it sticks when I like do this.
I'm gonna need like it like separately because of how big it is.
We should do a slime makeover video after.
A what?
Slime makeover video since we're getting ready to.
Oh, am I leaving soon?
It's 9:35.
So yeah, I'm leaving soon. 2 hours.
Oh no, I overactivated it.
You did?
Oh no, I didn't. Yes, I did.
That sucks. I didn't. Mine is all stretchy and sticky. I feel
Wait.
bad for you.
You know what? This was never part of the rules.
What are you doing?
I mixed a mirror slime into mine.
That's it. I'm tired of this.
I'm done with my slime.
I'm not. I just need to knead it a lot. Maybe if it doesn't turn out, you could just add activator in mine. I'll give you a piece of it. See, look at yours. How long did you knead it for?
Oh, a long time.
Help.
Here, I'll help you.
Yeah, I need that part where I need this marshmallow. Mine feels like a marshmallow. Like melted.
Oh my gosh, yours is sticky.
I told you.
Why
Look
did
at
you
my
start
hands?
eating? I need activator.
Too late. Too late. Look at my hands, literally.
Chloe, come here. This is over-activated, so I'm going to put it in here, and maybe it'll help activate it.
Yes. It actually did.
Okay, I have activator in here, so if you stick it in there, it'll, stick it in here, it'll activate.
No, it's actually turning out better. It's not as sticky. Can I keep this slime?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, I wish that next Friday we can do this.
You know. Mama, would it be okay with you if we did this next Friday?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yay! So we just have to check with Chloe's mom.
Whoa.
Hopefully she says yes.
Oh, no.
What if we did this every Friday?
Oh no.
More. If we did it every Friday, we'd
I would probably be like super happy.
same.
Shannon! I
Is it-
think I put the perfect amount of slime. No,
Let me
no,
see.
it's gonna get stuck to you.
I don't care. Look at me.
No, not the whole thing.
No, I'm gonna help you activate it.
I'll just need this little piece sectioned in here. This is over.
This video is almost 30 minutes long.
Here, have this little piece.
You don't want to make it too long. Then people have it.
Okay, yours is done. So now we're gonna see who you like best.
Done.
Okay, so now we need to clear the area. Okay, move stuff over
I'm
that way.
super clicky. Okay. I'll move these in here. Move that. I'll be on this side now. You can be on my side.
No, I'm on this side. Fine. So this is mine.
Hers clicks okay. Mine
So-
clicks okay too.
Mine is pink with blue, gold, rainbow, and pink glitter. And then this is my ASMR. Can you? Shh.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was my slime. So comment down below if you like my slime.
Here's my chunky slime.
And then this is her slime. So show them your slime.
From a 1 to 10.
Wait, I didn't get to do a slime swirl. Hang on. I wasn't done. So I'm gonna do a slime swirl.
Here, I'm just gonna start off with. Oh my god, I got hair in this. No. Minus hair. I'm gonna name this one.
It's not that great, but it's a slime swirl.
Yours feels different from mine, like super
I
different.
know.
Mine
Mine feels like
just
not even a
shaving
fluffy
cream.
slime.
This feels like shaving cream. Whoa.
Okay, so now this is Chloe's slime.
You know how it's sticky? This is more pat it down, and this is what clicks. I would give it an 8 to 10. I found out how to make bubbles. This is the bubbles. Alright, so you know how they make those big bubbles and they just stay there? So you go up like this, and then you just do that.
See, obviously that's the way you do it.
Mine feels different when it pops. It feels like...
Made a bubble, but it didn't stay. Okay, do your ASMR.
Alright, fine.
What does ASMR stand for?
Absolutely slime addicting. Well, that's my ASMR. I don't know how to do ASMR. I just want
I'll do her ASMR for
No.
her. It's gonna make this one look good and noble for you.
Sure. ASMR.
Oh my god. I'm trying to make a video.
There we go.
Comment down below whose slime you think won. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
It's a
Subscribe, turn the
challenge.
notifications on. And yeah, bye.
Bubble.